One of the most exciting, fulfilling things in life is learning something new or acquiring a new skill. The world is moving faster than ever before today, and when does it seem like we ever have the time to sit down and learn something new? If you're looking to learn a new skill, if you want to just learn something new, but you don't want to spend an incredible amount of time learning it, then this course, I promise you, is going to help you accelerate your learning and acquire any new skill fast. That's not all you're going to get for enrolling in this course. I personally want to get to know you. I would love for you to post in our course discussion your name, where you're from, and that way we can really start to build a relationship. Also, I answer any question that you have in the course, and I do it in a very timely manner. Now, I travel a lot. Today I'm in beautiful Columbus, Ohio, and I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois, but I'm here to help you. I would love to hear your feedback. Also, another great way to give me some feedback on how you're doing in the course and what's working and what isn't working is to write a positive review of the course. I read each and every single one of those. It also encourages other students to come in and perhaps join us in the course. I'm serving more than 20,000 plus Udemy students at the moment, and I have over 16 courses here. I love inspiring you, but I need your help. Help me inspire other students by giving me feedback, writing a review. It really, really helps. Thanks again for watching this first lecture, and this is just the beginning. There are so many more benefits that you're going to gain from enrolling in this course. This course is compact. We don't waste any time. We dive right into these principles, give you a nice step-by-step process. This program is all about accelerating your learning. Thanks again for enrolling, and I can't wait to dive into this program with you, and I'll see you in our next lecture.